Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create DoorWindow symbol as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Rotate arrow and select object, base point, angle 90, go arc, A enter, center click, center point, next point, click here. Okay, select the Sash, delete, mirror, MI, enter, select object, mirror line, click, enter. Okay, now go rectangle, rec, enter, click, okay, select rectangle, stretch 10 milli, enter, stretch below 10 milli, enter. Okay, now go wipe out, select polyline, click yes. Okay, now select wipe out frame, layer change, wipe out, draw order, send to back. Okay, let's see. Go block, B enter, block name TW, DoorWindow, select object, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, go parameters, base point, click here, go line, L enter, line, repeat line, trim, okay, now go construction, select lines, enter, convert, trim. Okay, now go parameter, linear, repeat linear, select distance 2, 3, 1, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, distance 4, select, go properties, number of grips 0, chain action yes. Okay, select distance 1, properties, rename, wall depth, enter, select distance 3, rename, door sash plus window sash, enter, distance to rename. Sash, enter. Okay. Now go actions, scale, select distance for parameter, select object, enter. Go actions, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, deselect, wipe out frame, select distance for parameter. Okay, enter. Action, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select rectangle, select, enter. Go stretch 1, select, go properties, angle 90, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve and wipe out frame. Okay, enter. Select stretch 2, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, now go action, stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Stretch, select parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Stretch 4, select, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, again go stretch, select wall depth parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Go parameters, alignment, click here. Okay, go parameter, flip, click here, center, click here. Okay, go actions, more, select wall depth parameter, point, select object, select, flip parameter, select, enter. Okay, go more, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter. Okay, now close block editor, save changes, click. Okay, let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.